Good morning, dear students. Today's our topic is the fox and the stork. In this story, we will discuss the selfishness, the nature we are having, it is reflecting, and sooner or later it will come before us. The story is like this. One day, a selfish fox invited a stork for dinner. Stork was very happy with the invitation. She reached the fox home on time and knocked the door with her long beak. So, as the stork was invited by the fox, that stork reached the home and knocked the door. That stork was thinking that it would be served very nicely and it was very happy. Now, the fox took her to the dinner table and served some soup in solid vowels for both of them. The mistake the fox has done here, the plate which the fox has selected, it was not appropriate for the stork. The fox can eat and the drink, but the stork was not able to take even one also. As the bowl was too solid for the stork, she could not have soup at all, but the fox licked up his soup quickly. So, here what is the problem? As the ball was too solid for the stork is a type of bird with a long beak, and with the beak, it is not possible to eat in a solid vowel. So, it was the mistake by the fox. He should serve the soup in a long, narrow neck vessel so that the stork can also take some. The stork was angry and upset. It was angry and upset because it was tough to eat because it was a solid vowel. But she did not show her anger and behaved politely. But the stork did not show anything, and that because he has not eaten anything, so it was angry also, it was hungry also, but she did not reply, she did not tell anything to the fox, and very politely she behaved. To teach a lesson to the fox, she then invited him for dinner the next day. To teach the next lesson, that stork invited the fox next day in his house. She too served soup. What stork has done? She too served the soup in a long narrow neck vessel. But this time the soup was served in two tall narrow vessels. How she had served? She had served the soup in a two long tall necked vessels. The stork devoured the soup from the vase, but the fox could not drink any of it because of his narrow neck. That vessel, vessel was having a long narrow neck, so it was tough to eat or drink anything from the vessel for the fox, but the stork was very easily drinking and eating something. The fox realized his mistake and went home famished. The fox has now realized his mistake, and very quietly he went back to his house. What is the moral of this story? A selfish act backfires sooner or later. Means if we are selfish, then it will come towards us sooner or later. So we should change our behavior. We should helpful to others. We should not think only about us. We should think for others also. So we should not be selfish. Thank you.